Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Really excited about this listing. One of my favorite boats. If you know me, I've always talked about the 540 Sundancer. Absolutely a dream boat. I can't wait to walk you through this. This is a 2016 540 with 180 hours on the engines. I think as you walk through, you're going to see the boat's only been used a few times. It's kept here in a covered slip on Lake Texoma. And I can't wait to show it to you. We're going to start back here. Obviously, you have the hydraulic swim platform. You can put the tender on it. You got an 800-pound maximum tender weight. You'll notice this very functional mooring locker. Keep a lot of fenders, very large area to be able to keep a lot of fenders, life jackets, water toys, that kind of stuff. And then a nice area to be able to put your dock lines, your boat hook, any wet life jackets, you might want to throw those in here as well. And check out the rear sun lounge. One of the things that a lot of people are asking for on Sea Rays is a nice sunning area, a nice entertainment area on the back of the boat. This boat does that. Swing out these gull wings, both sides. You got a nice sunning area, really a great spot to hang out. As we step into the cockpit, one of the things you're going to notice is this beautiful real teak wood all the way through the lower cockpit and the upper cockpit. So we'll transition in there. So here we are in the cockpit. As you can see, this is an entertainment platform like no other. I mean, look at the amount of seating that you have here. You can move the table from here to here, depending on where you want to be able to seat people. A lot of people like the table sitting here so they can look at the TV here in the cockpit. Beautiful high gloss teak table or mahogany table with the nice inlay around, the black inlay, the ebony inlay. Nice seating all the way around. You can probably seat 8 people around this table area here. And then just across, you can't have an entertainment area without the stainless steel fridge, the ice maker. You know how I love a Kenyan grill. One of the first things I always look at on a boat to see if it's how used it is the Kenyan grill. Look at the pan. This owner's only used the boat a handful of times and never used this, you can tell. Absolutely spotless like the day we delivered it to him. You've got a nice sink here, as well as your trash receptacle and storage underneath. One thing you'll notice as soon as you step in the cockpit of a 540, although it's an open cockpit, you have 2 dedicated air conditioners just for this area. So you do get a swirling effect here underneath this large, massive hardtop, which again, as you look up, look at the glass, the sliding skylight here that comes back. Nice design, gives you some nice light in here. Really a sexy look here in the cockpit. TV mounted here in the cockpit. All the TVs on this boat are hooked up to the satellite TV. Nice sun lounge area here on the side. Great spot to be able to kick back, watch your wake as you're making your long run across the lake or across the bay. All right, so here we are at the helm station. I love these stid seats. You can take this seat either face forward or face backwards. You can spin both of these around, and now we're all part of this entertainment area. Just a large stadium seat. I mean, you've got a lot of entertainment space. These captain's chairs, with the ability to spin them around, they don't become useless once you're not navigating anymore. So really a cool feature. And obviously sitting on top of this nice teak wood that carries all the way up here in the upper cockpit. This is a center helm station boat, which I absolutely love. Gives you good visibility on both sides. Got the dual Raymarine screens with radar, open array radar. Again, it does have the satellite TV as well. VHF radio, it's got all the depth indicators. Joystick docking, godsend. This is a Zeus boat. This is not a V-Drive boat, this is a Zeus boat. So when you're driving through a marina, just drive it like you're driving a car. When you go to back into the slip, switch over to your joystick, back yourself right in, really takes all that anxiety out. And a big heavy boat like this settles really well, so it gives you the ability to feel like you're in full control all the time. Obviously, skyhook features, autopilot, auto heading. Boat has it all. Again, 160 hours actually, and 162 hours on the other engine. So here we are in the bow of the 540. Nice sun lounge area with the kick-up backrest. Owner had a custom cover made that snaps over this to keep it all protected when you're not using it. Look at the lines as you look through the hardtop. Beautiful lines on this, really gives it that Sea Ray DNA that we've all come to love. All the antennas, the open array, the HD7 Sat TV, really just a beautiful layout. And as you step up here to the front, you've got a nice working deck here if you need to work your anchor. Anything you need to do up here in the front, you've got a nice non-skid area that's not real confined, so you have a lot of space to be able to work whenever you're in a situation trying to work the bow of the boat with the anchor and everything. So great design, nice long nose on the front of this boat, really gives it that sexy DNA of a Sea Ray. So I love how convenient it is as you're walking down the stairs to come into the salon. Your main distribution panel and entertainment panel is here. As you notice, you got the Bose, the TrackVision KVH, the DirecTV cable boxes or satellite boxes, 2 Blu-ray players. This controls everything in the salon as well as in the cockpit. Sony AM/FM stereo, and a nice easy layout on the main distribution panel. In typical Sea Ray fashion, easy to read, easy layout. Did a really great job, and hidden behind these nice, spa-like doors that cover that main distribution panel, not just a wood panel. So as we make our way down into the salon, one of the things you're going to see as soon as you walk down is this large countertop. Spans all the way up the port side of the boat. Really, really nice layout. The beautiful isotherm dual fridge and freezer. This actually has a full freezer layout as well. You'll notice the Kenyon stovetop dual burners, fresh water. Got beautiful faucets and fixtures throughout. One of the things you're going to notice immediately that's probably going to be a lot different than any other boats that you're looking at, especially in a 2016-17 year model, is this does have the upgraded high gloss wood package on the boat. Really a sought after package that you just don't find a whole lot of boats on the market having. So really gives it that rich yachty look. When you walk down, it's stunning down here to be able to see the inside of this boat. So I love the way this sofa is laid out. Nice L-shaped sofa. It does have the pull-out sofa, or the pull-out bed, so you can pull that out. The table will articulate up, so if you want to be able to eat down here, you can move this table up to be able to eat. Look at the hull side windows, large expansive hull side windows. Gives you a lot of visibility to the outside to be able to see the water outside. And then a lot of boats say they have a large flat screen TV in them. The 540 truly has a large flat screen TV in it with the Bose sound bar and surround sound system on the boat. This is an absolutely amazing area down here in the lower salon of the 540. So your guest head and day head is going to be here in the V berth of the boat towards the front. You'll notice that it's got a nice separate stand-up shower. Beautiful countertops. Again, you see the rich high gloss woods, tile flooring, vacuum flush head. And you actually have an entrance straight into your VIP berth. You'll notice the beautiful headboard design. It's really a piece of artwork, the way they've done the woodwork throughout this. The lighting is spot on. Really gives you a nice ambiance as you're here in the V berth. Your guests will be pampered as they stay in your V berth. Got 2 closets on each side, or each side has a closet. Nice satellite TV with Samsung flat screen TV there on the wall. So as we transition back to the back of the boat, one of the things you're going to notice, we'll walk through the salon. Behind this beautiful sliding door is the crown jewel of the 540, and one of the primary reasons why I love this boat. You've got a nice full beam master suite. As you walk in, you have the washer and dryer there to your right. The nice bed here, turned from port to starboard, really gives you the ability to get in and out through either side. You don't have to interrupt somebody to get out. AV cabinet above the bed. A nice flat screen TV, again flush mounted into the wall. Nice storage underneath the TV area. And then as you step up into the master head, you'll notice the beautiful door design that they've utilized, again with kind of that spa-like glass, frosted glass there inlaid in the door. Nice tile backsplash, a custom option on this boat, the ones that they used. Vacuum flush head, separate shower. I'm 6'5", and I have plenty of room in both the V berth and the master shower on this boat. And you'll notice that to your left, as you walk into that master head, the upright closet, a couple of drawers underneath it. Nice to be able to keep some clothes in there. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'd love to talk to you about Scott-free 540 Sundancer, 2016 model, located on Lake Texoma. It's about an hour and 40 minutes from Dallas-Fort Worth Love Field. and we'd love to have you come out. Give me a call at 972-670-8211. Love to get you on board. You won't regret it. This will be the cleanest 540 Sundancer that you will look at, and I can't wait to show it to you. Take care.